All right, this is Liberty stock number 39359. It's a 6,000 pound capacity, Aronson model HD60A, tilt rotate welding positioner. Serial number 69231. It's got a 48 by 48 table, adjustable base, and variable speed with pendant.
All right, yeah, well, off the road. I mean, this is most of it right here. So got the pendant, got the panel right here. We're currently wired in temporarily, 3-phase, 220. It's pretty straightforward. There's tilt, forward, reverse, and of course the platter, rotation, DC drive. That's it. The rest is just the box. Oh, we can open up this. That's right. So. And there they are. DC up on top and tilt down low.
Looks good.
Yeah, there's a big ground cable over on the other side here if you have to continue to run.
Yeah, I'll walk around the other side.
Over there, and I have to turn on power anyhow. I forgot I shut the power off. Power's on. So yeah, let me get the pendant up here and we can, it's got maintained rotation and jog rotation, and of course tilt is always momentary anyhow. You got to hold it and a stop button. So that's it with the pop control up on top for rotation. So I'll go momentary first here a little bit. Bring it on. That's me holding it. We'll try going the other way on momentary. Tilt it down and then we'll stay maintained on rotary, which is tilt this way. I'm not going to kill it. I did check the micro switch though, the limit switch, they work, so. If you want to get a look at the gears, actually, the segments are in pretty good shape, really. Yeah, on the other side. Yeah, that's that, and we'll come on back a little bit and then rotate, maintained. There, just try going forward here. And we'll play at the speed a little bit, let it get going. Speed pod is up here. Works nice. Bring it up a little bit. Pull out. Go back to 50% reverse. Stop. And reverse. Same thing, same speed control. And tilt back. That's about everything that machine does, Pete.